Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. You did a great job in the previous weeks. This week will be a great week for our course, and this week you will finish our first project in this course, the podcast. You will use some recording tools to share your reflection of this week's topic, social media and social networking. So this is a week 6 page. We have 6 tasks in total this week, and the first one is to watch this video. And the second one is to read the basic introduction of this week's topic. And the third one is to watch the video from Dr. Mimi and to learn some her thoughts about the social media. This is a very great video. Please watch it carefully. And the next task is the reading. There are 2 readings. And then you also need to choose one optional reading from this link. So what you need to do is to go to this website, create an account, and then choose one article you like to read. So task 5 is about the overview of this project. So please read it very carefully. So this is the link to the overview doc. So please read all of the content very carefully. There are some very detailed explanation for this project. So after the overview, what you can do in just to read the following tips for this podcast. There are tools you can choose for this recording. So these are the tools. Some are online tools, some are Mac software, some are Windows software, and some are just phone apps. So just choose one tool that works for you, upload it to the SoundCloud, and then share the link and in the Canvas assignment. So this is the link to the assignment. So there is one video from one of our previous teacher, Dr. Pazurika, and she's very generous to share this video to us. This video is very helpful. So if you have any questions, please watch this video very carefully. So the deadline for the podcast is next Tuesday, but I would recommend to plan it early because you need a lot of time to finish this project. So I hope you will have a great week and see you next Wednesday. Thank you so much.